Hello YouTube, this is a test and I want to test how much noise my lathe will do, if I should use my lavalier microphone or I should use the microphone on the camera. So I will just chuck up a piece of round bar and then we will take a face cut to see where we're at. And we need some power to the lathe. And we will see if we can hook it up with a cord. So, some main power and hold on to your pants. Okay, let's see. So, some main power and hold on to your pants. And hold on to your pants. Okay, let's see. So, just a light. Face cuts, and we're now doing 394 RPM. Maybe we should have some more speed. It's making chips, that's for sure. So I'm happy with that. And we will see how that will do on the video.